Hello, we're back for a few. Look, you can see we've opened 10 cases of.
What's that? Panini Timeless.
Panini Timeless Treasures.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, and
Here's
then
a recap.
we will open also 3 cases of
Exquisite
0506.
0506. Just
But
0506.
we'll give you a recap. These are the good cards.
Here's the good cards.
1 of 1 David West.
Base card.
Obi,
Autobot.
Patch. Number 2 what?
Number 2, 10 of 25.
10 of 25.
You have a Chris
Then
Paul.
Chris Paul.
Logo man.
3 of 4.
3 of 4.
Oh, jersey number.
Jersey number. Yeah.
George Maikan.
Cut
Cut
out one
auto.
of the chase cards of this set.
And then a Brandon Jennings.
1 of 1.
1 of 1.
Yeah, look at the patch. Show the patch. Show the patch. It's
Show the
The horns of the
horny
box.
guy.
from the tag.
Anak ni Aga.
Kobe Bryant auto jersey.
Number
Championship.
number 5 of 10.
5 of 10.
Then you have dual Brandon Jennings, Tyreek Evans.
What are you getting?
8 of 25.
Bugong na naman, ang daming
2 cut
bugong.
autos of Paul
Ay, no. Paul, what's that?
Paul Arizin.
Arizin.
Arizin. No. So,
Dalawa.
not
Then
Arizin.
another
Kobe.
Kobe.
2. Auto jersey.
Auto
Binabara ako
jerseys.
ng asawa mo.
number to 100. Then you have this sweet LeBron.
Look at
Sweet
that.
choker
Look at that.
LeBron.
The Lechoke!
Lechoke. Lechoker.
I
9
hate
of
LeBron.
13.
Look! Cavaliers
I hate
gone!
LeBron for like 3 weeks.
Then you have a 1 of 2, 1 of 1.
Lechoker.
Then I'm gonna go back to being a fan.
Tyler
What's that?
Hansbrough, 1 of
Tyler
1.
Hansbrough,
Joe
and
Demix, 1 of
That's
1.
the Pacers patch, oh. The tag.
And then
And
the
then
tag.
the tag from
NBA
the,
logo
the
ng tag.
NBA logo tag.
Then
And
we
then
have
look at
some good
there are some surprises here, no? We didn't.
Stephen Curry. You have some Tyreek Evans.
And then look.
You have Scottie
Scottie
Pippen.
Pippen, huh?
We didn't know that he
Then you have
signed
some
here.
Bill
Bill
Russell.
Russell.
Taba ni Chris, oh!
Of course, Tyreek again. There's some Hansbrough,
And then the rest like Tyreek, Blake
Blake
Griffin,
Griffin, Jerry West,
and then
Stephen Curry,
That's
Blake
all the
Griffin. See?
Okay.
Carmelo.
Mellow.
Boston will
Saan ba?
win. Championship.
Boston
what
will
else?
win
Okay.
against Orlando but will lose
Okay.
against my Lakers.
So that's it for
Against my
out of
Lakers.
respect to my favorite Celtics, I'm wearing all the losers.
Yeah.
these are the
See, look,
teams.
we're all losers!
And the losers.
Yeah, losers. Losers.
It will be Boston, LA.
LA in 6 games.
No.
My bold prediction.
No,
I
because
will dance naked if Lakers will
man.
lose
You know why?
against Boston.
You know why?
Why?
Because Kobe is a choker.
Oh, no, of course not. There's nobody a choker than LeBron.
No.
Ultimate choker.
You will see. You've already seen how Kobe chokes
Choke for
Against the
championship?
with the Celtics.
How can that be a choker? Oh,
Andrew Bino.
Nice patch.
Solemnly.
Oh,
Chris Paul.
Chris Paul.
Rookie year.
Look at that patch, guys. Look.
23 of 50.
Nice one.
Beautiful.
Kareem Abdul-Jabbar.
Oh.
Jabbar,
I think it's another Bynum.
No, it's a Von Wafer.
I saw the Lakers logo at the back.
Bigyan na sa'yo.
Look at that. It's a nice looking patch.
Oh, this is a lot, 6 cards.
6 cards.
Oh, I'm lucky!
How's this page, huh?
Uy,
What's that?
Oh.
Chris Taff, who's no longer in
no
the...
longer the
The
NBA.
son of Taft Avenue.
Yeah. Uy,
Oh, Steve Nash.
Limited logos, ah!
Limited logos, ha?
ko lang to, bro.
Gold BB.
BB jersey. Uy, who's that?
Who's this?
Ang haba
James
ng pangalan, ah.
Singleton.
Singleton.
Yep.
He is now. Uy!
Oh,
No.
Oh
goodness.
no! Martinez Andrews.
Whatever.
Martinez Andrews Cubesius.
But
Andrews Cubesius.
Let's see.
Martinez.
Babae ba yan?
Andrews Cubesius.
Andres Runipasius.
Babae ba yan? Martinez?
Martinez Hingis.
Ang pangit, di siya bagay, no? Sa Wawawi.
Who's this?
Elton, bro.
Elton Brand.
Oh no!
Oh no. Monta Ellis rookie card.
Oh no.
Oh no, sayang!
Expired?
Okay, guard.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because he's redemption here.
Why didn't he have a redemption card there? No. we-
Live si ano.
Oh, that's
No, rookie
Ay, no, no.
patches.
No,
Yes.
no, no. Redemption yan.
He was a redemption
yes.
here.
I remember.
Ah,
That was
yeah,
redemption.
yeah, that's right.
Payas,
Available pa yan.
Hindi, 08 eh.
Hindi. Ibig
Oh,
sabihin,
another
paano din mo na lang?
another Jabbar. Extra exclusive.
Oh, good.
Oh, goodness.
No.
It's your favorite player
Used
before.
to be $500, now 30.
Talaga? $30 na siya?
And
Kay Tina.
an Orion Green. My God, wow.
Itsura ni Christy.
Here.
May malaking flower sa gitna.
Ang taba mo!
Ano?
Ang
Who's that?
taba, oh.
Who's
Chris
that?
Aquino.
Hey, that's the sister of the
That's the first lady.
Oh, I don't
Second
care.
lady.
Look at her.
Hindi, first lady pa rin
She's so fat.
Tapos may ano pati, may damit niya, may malaki pa siyang...
Yeah, she's so fat. Kainis.
Yuck!
Yuck.
What's this?
That's
Michael Red.
No, Michael Red. And then, oh no, Daniel Ewing.
Ano yan
No
eh?
longer with the NBA. Uy!
Rodman.
Oh, Dennis
Single
Rodman.
color naman yan.
Logos, ha? Oh,
I
logos,
thought
ha?
Jordan.
Oh,
logos
Channing
and
Frye.
Ano, exquisite jerseys, ah.
And who's that?
Yeah.
Number 221.
Sino yan?
Antoine Wright, gold.
Gold.
Wait, he's playing
He's
with...
still playing, huh?
Yeah, he's
Toronto?
with the...
Toronto,
No.
I think Toronto or...
I think Toronto.
I think...
Ano mo ba yan?
No, with Dallas.
This is the last case?
Oh,
Dallas.
yeah.
No, there's another case there. It's with Dallas. The guy is with Dallas.
Let's get a Chris Paul rookie card.
Yeah, gold rookie card.
Yes.
Melo.
Why not?
Ooh,
Nate
Nate the Great.
The slam dunk champion.
Not
Wow,
bad.
overrated slam dunker asshole.
Ike Jogu.
Nalaro pa ba yan?
Diogo. No, I don't think so.
Oh, look at your favorite player.
Korolev.
Channing
Channing Frye!
Frye!
Rookie
Yeah,
card, not
rookie
bad.
card, Number 299.
Gumagawa mo ba yan?
Shooting a lot of threes.
Oh,
Oh.
good.
No, it's good.
Ooh.
Oh no,
Ayos
CJ
CJ
Miles.
Miles.
Nice.
It's all rookies, huh?
Yes, good.
CJ Miles.
Come on.
Come on, just one.
One of one.
One of one. Any Jordan one of one.
Chris Paul 3 of 3.
Oh.
Oh,
Nate.
Nate again.
This is a better
Kasi
looking
toy
pack.
siya ng slam dunk eh.
J.R. Smith.
The choker also. Oop, Larry Bird.
Larry Bird.
And
Another rookie card again. Von Wafer
Maalat
again.
na side mo dyan ah.
Yeah.
Maalat ah. Oh,
Okay, last case.
Last case.
yeah.
maalat ah.
Look at how many rookie cards, oh.
Oo nga.
Oh yeah, look at the
Okay.
pile of rookie cards.
Hindi, ito na, pambawi na to.
Okay lang sana, Chris Paul.
Basta wag lang redemption.
Uy, puta, yan na. Kasasabi mo pa lang
Nakita ko eh.
Yun na
Monta
mo
na
eh.
naman.
Nakita ko nga eh.
No, Rashard
Okay lang.
Makans.
Nakita
Okay
ko nga
lang.
sa gilid pa lang eh.
Sumbutin na yan.
Uy,
Oh, Sharif
Sharif.
Abdul Rahim.
what the fuck?
Jordan!
Yan!
Ho ho! Ho ho ho!
3 colors.
Yan! That's what
And
we're talking
think about.
about.
And
And
a
another
regular.
Dwayne Wade
Oops,
regular.
sorry.
Very good.
Okay, at least there's a Jordan. If there's a Jordan, there's a LeBron.
Itong isa kain ng kain lang oh.
Oh, your wife just keeps on eating.
Stop.
Dapat ka naman matalo. Bubing ka naman eh. Hindi ka naman
Hoy, timer.
karapat tumakbo eh, leche.
9 minutes.
Who is that? Danielle?
Daniel Ewing.
Oh!
Oh no, Raymond
Raymond
Felton.
Oh!
Oy!
Oy!
Dennis
Dennis
Rodman.
Rodman. Hindi pa naging Jordan.
And the
Michael Red.
Last
Hindi pa
pack.
Jordan yun. Oh.
Last pack for the night.
Let's watch of Dennis Rodman.
Let's see.
Scripted of Jordan.
Actually,
Oh no, redemption again.
I hope it's
Oh.
Makans again.
Rashard Makans.
Okay lang, no?
Jordan! Hindi.
No, it's Marvin, that another choker.
Yes.
Another choker from Atlanta.
Triple patch.
Stockton,
Stockton.
ganda!
Oy, nice one.
5 of 10.
Wow.
See, my
That is nice.
side's doing
Oh
better
my
ah.
God. Uy, another gold. Peja, gold
Peja.
piece.
And
And a rookie card of
Orion Green again.
Gordon Green. Okay, that's it, folks.
That's it.
boy.
Again, we will have some more cards next time.
Sayang naman to.
See you.